In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Trello subscription. Cancelling a subscription can often seem like a daunting task, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Trello account, so go ahead and visit the Trello website. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll notice the login option in the top right corner. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you haven't automatically signed in, make sure to have your email and password ready to ensure a smooth login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to Trello's homepage. This is where you get an overview of your boards, tasks, and everything else. From here, it's important to direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find various options. What you want to do next is to locate and click on Billing. This is the crucial step that will lead us toward managing your subscription details. Once you've reached the billing section, you'll see all the necessary information related to your current subscription plan. Take a moment to review it so that you're fully aware of what you're currently subscribed to, whether it's a free trial period or a paid plan. When you're ready, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription, or something similar. This might vary slightly depending on your current subscription status or any updates Trello has made to their user interface, but it usually is quite straightforward. Clicking this will begin the cancellation process. Now keep in mind that Trello may ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. This confirmation step is common as they want to ensure you genuinely intend to proceed with cancelling your subscription. Just follow any prompts that appear, confirming your wish to cancel, and you're almost there. After confirming, it's helpful to take note of any confirmation message or email you might receive. This serves as verification that your subscription cancellation has been successfully processed. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Trello subscription. Remember, if you decide to return to Trello in the future, restarting your subscription is an option you can easily explore when the time is right. I hope this video helps you navigate the process with ease. If you have any further questions or experience issues, Trello's customer support is just a click away and can offer additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tutorials.